How much should you actually spend on a brake bleeder kit? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Orion MotorTech Brake Bleeder Kit. Priced at $26.99, this kit grabbed my attention with its promise of making brake bleeding a one-person job. If you want a straightforward solution to bleeding your brakes without needing a buddy, this is worth a serious look. This kit features a handheld vacuum pump that allows you to bleed brakes in about 5 minutes per wheel. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It saves you time and avoids the hassle of coordinating with someone else. The pump is made from durable aluminum alloy, which means it's built to last and resist corrosion. Plus, with PVC tubes designed for maximum sealing, you won't have to worry about leaks ruining your day. Now, some people complained about the vacuum pump being a bit tricky to seal at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the ease of use really shines through. If you're someone who's a bit inexperienced, it may take a moment to adjust, but it's definitely not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY car enthusiast looking to maintain your vehicle. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional garage setup or if you want something super compact. For the price, it delivers solid value for money.
Product number 2, Pasico Brake Bleeder Bottle. Priced at $21.62. What caught my attention here was its simplicity and effectiveness in collecting used brake fluid. If you want a no-fuss option to drain old brake fluid, this is definitely worth a serious look. This kit comes with a one-way check valve that prevents backflow, which is essential for keeping your brake system clean. The 24-inch hose is great for getting into hard-to-reach areas without a mess. It's made from high-rigidity plastic and is compatible with all brake systems, which is super practical. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It allows for easy and tidy brake bleeding without the mess that usually comes with it. However, some users have mentioned that the hooks for holding the bottle in place could be sturdier. I get it. If you're in a tight space, you want everything to stay put. But honestly, as long as you're careful while using it, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want an easy way to manage your brake fluid. Skip this one if you need a full kit with a pump or other tools. For the price, it's an efficient and valuable tool.
Product number 3, Off-Band Brake Bleeder Kit. Let's talk about the Off-Band Brake Bleeder Kit, which is incredibly wallet-friendly at just $6.99. This caught my eye for its comprehensive set of components. If you're looking for a budget-friendly way to tackle brake bleeding, this is worth considering. This kit includes 2 hoses, check valves, and clamps, giving you everything you need to maintain hydraulic brakes on most vehicles. The one-way check valves are designed to keep dirt and air out of your braking system, which is crucial for safety. Here's why this matters for you specifically. By ensuring a clean bleeding process, you help maintain the integrity of your brake system, which is something no driver should overlook. Some users pointed out that the hoses might be a bit short for larger vehicles. I'll be real with you, if you drive a larger car or truck, this may not be the best fit. However, if you have a motorcycle or smaller car, it should work just fine. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking to save money while doing your own brake work. Skip this one if your vehicle has a more complex brake system. For the price, it's a steal.
Product number 4, CalSpec Tools Brake Bleeder Kit. The CalSpec Tools Brake Bleeder Kit, priced at $22.89. This one caught my attention because of its innovative design that eliminates the typical mess associated with brake bleeding. If you want a hassle-free experience while maintaining your brakes, this might be your best bet. What's cool about this kit is that it features a built-in one-way check valve, which prevents old fluid from re-entering the system. This means you can bleed brakes without worrying about closing the valve at the right time. The high-strength magnet allows you to easily secure the bottle while you work, which is a game changer. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It makes the entire process cleaner and less frustrating. Now, some reviews mention that the magnet can sometimes slip if not positioned correctly, but honestly, as long as you find the right spot on your vehicle, it shouldn't be a major issue. This is perfect for you if you want a user-friendly kit that simplifies the brake bleeding process. Skip this one if you're looking for a full pressure system. For the price, it offers excellent functionality.
Product number 5, Fatio Brake Fluid Bleeder Kit. We have the Fatio Brake Fluid Bleeder Kit, priced at $39.99. This one's impressive because it allows for one-person brake bleeding, which is a huge plus. If you want to completely flush your brake system without needing an extra set of hands, this is worth a serious look. The kit features upgraded adapters for a perfect fit on various vehicles, ensuring a leak-proof seal that prevents spills. The translucent design lets you monitor fluid levels, making it easy to know when to stop. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You won't have to guess when the old fluid is out, which can be a huge hassle. However, some users found the setup instructions a bit unclear. I get it, nobody wants to waste time figuring things out, but honestly, once you get past the initial setup, the performance is definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a high-quality kit that allows you to work solo. Skip this one if you're looking for a very basic option. For the price, you're getting a reliable tool that can save you time and effort.
So, there you have it. The Orion Motor Tech is great for simplicity. The PS Eco offers excellent value. The Off-Band is a perfect budget pick. CalSpec Tools eliminates mess, and the Faitio is best for solo users. Each kit has its strengths, so think about your specific needs before making a choice.